Okay, if you look at the second question, you are told that 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to this man here. Solution, what I will simply do, use what we call my initiative or use my mathematical skills to analyze this particular question. I'll equate this man to this man. So I have 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to x plus 2y. So I'll collect like terms, take 2y here. So I have minus 3y minus 2y, and then I have plus 2x here. Take this one here, it becomes minus x, and then take this man here, it becomes minus 2. So this gives me minus 5y plus x, because minus 3y minus 2y is minus 5y, and 2x minus x will give me x, which is equal to minus 2. So this gives me x minus 5y equal to minus 2. So this is our new equation 1. And then I'm also going to do something. I will equate this man to this man here to get my second equation. So if I do that, I have, there's a minus 5 here. If you watch the question, there's a minus 5 here. So we omitted the minus 5. So let us put the minus 5 in place here now. Okay? There's a minus 5 missing here. There's a minus 5 missing here. So if I fix it, this becomes minus 7. So this is minus 7. So let's go further to equate this to the other one. So I have x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 3x plus y. If I collect like terms, I have 3x, this one crosses here, it becomes minus x, plus y, this one crosses here, it becomes minus 2y, which gives me minus 5. So this is x, 2x, because 3x minus x is 2x, and then y minus 2y is minus y, equal to minus 5. So our new equation now becomes, the second equation becomes 2x minus y equal to minus 5. So this is our equation 2. So from here, we can now go forward, use the elimination method to solve this question. If I want to use elimination, this will be times 1 and this will be times 5. So the whole of equation 1 still remains the same. If we multiply by 1, we have x minus 5y equal to minus 7. And then the equation 2 becomes 5 times 2x gives me 10x. 5 times minus y gives me minus 5y. 5 times minus 5 gives me minus 25. So you can see that they are having the same sign. So because they are having the same sign, I'm going to subtract. Okay? So if I subtract, what is x minus 10x? That will give me minus 9x. Then I have minus 7. Then we have a negative sign and a negative sign. And so it becomes plus 25. So this gives me minus 9. 25 minus this is 8, so that you get 18. So this is equal to, so this is 9x is equal to 18. So your x is equal to 18 over minus 9, which gives you minus 2. So your x is negative 2. Now let's get our y from what we have done now. We can now get our y. So let us get our y now. Remember that if you want to get y, you substitute your x as what you got in any of the equation 1 or 2. To obtain y, substitute x to be equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So we have equation 1 is x minus 5y equal to minus 7. So I'll fix it here. I have minus 2 minus 5y equal to minus 7. And then if I take this here, I have minus 2 plus 7 equal to what? 5y. If I transfer this, if negative becomes positive. So minus 2 plus 7 will give me 5, which is equal to 5y. So my y equal to 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. So our y is 1. So that is that for that question. So the last question we have there is the last one there. So we are going to see how we can actually solve that one. and then we move on to the next method of solving simultaneous equation. We have 3 raised to the power 2x minus y equal to 1. That's our equation 1. And then we have 16 raised to the power x over 4 is equal to 8 raised to the power 3x minus y. Okay? So what you simply do, you cannot solve this simultaneous equation in this form because this is in form of indices. So you have to break down and change it to a normal simultaneous equation. So what you use your knowledge of indices to do this. The first one we have here is 3 raised to the power 2x minus y. And you know, if I turn this to normal indices form, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So I'll change this to 3 raised to the power 0. So this one strike off this. So my equation now becomes 2x minus y equal to 0. So this is now my equation 1. Then for this second one, this is 2 raised to the power 4x. This is over 2 raised to the power 2 equal to 2 raised to the power 3 bracket 3x minus y. Now this one here is dividing this man. You can actually subtract the power. So you have 2 raised to the power 4x minus 2, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 bracket 3x minus y. You can see what I did there. So this one cancels this. So we have 4x minus 2 is equal to 9x. This time this is 9x. This time this is what? Minus 3y. So you collect like terms. If you collect like terms, you have 4x minus 9x plus 3y is equal to, take this man here, it becomes 2. So this becomes minus 5x plus 3y equal to 2. So if you bring them together, you have, this becomes 2x minus y equal to 0, and this is minus 5x plus 3y is equal to 2. So this is our equations that we got respectively. So this now becomes equation 2. This is now a normal simultaneous equation. If I'm to solve this normally, my equation 1, I'll multiply it by 3, and then my equation 2, I'll multiply it by 1. So this becomes 6x, because 3 times 2x will give me that. 3 times y will give me 3y. 3 times 0 will give me 0. 1 times minus 5x will give me minus 5x. 1 times 3y will give me 3y, which is equal to 2. And then I'll now do what? They are having the same. Okay, this is plus. So this is actually plus. So it's supposed to be plus, and the other one is minus. So it's correct like this. So we can now go on. So since they are having different sign, I'm going to plus. I'm going to sum their values to get my value of x and y. So this goes to 0. This is 6x plus minus 5x will give me what? X. And then 0 plus 2 will give me what? 2. So my x is 2. Okay? So I can just simply get my y. So to get your y, you can actually use equation 1 or 2. Let us use equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus y equal to 0. So I'll fix x as 2 here to get my y. So I have 2 into bracket 2 minus y equal to 0. So this gives me 4 minus y equal to 0. So if I take y here, I have y equal to 4. So my y is 4. So that's our final answer.